ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದಂತಹ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆದಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮೇಜರ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಿಇಒ ಮನ್ನಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಕುರಿತು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಕುರಿತು ಈ 10 ದಿನದ ತಪಸ್ಸಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನ ಕುರಿತು ಮಾತನಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, staff members, and my dear students, a very good morning to each one of you.
Good morning, sir.
So I am privileged to stand before you all to speak a few words on this august occasion. First of all, I would like to congratulate each one of you for making a decision and joining this august institution. Now, why I am telling this is, when we generally interact with students, 10th, 12th, degree, just ask them end of the degree what you have to do. They will say, not well. They will see, that's the best answer. But now you have made a decision what you have to become, and you all are here. Now, just for my understanding, because everybody was speaking in Kannada, is there anyone who cannot understand Kannada here? Oh, quite a lot. Then now you are okay. Okay, fine. Now, anybody from Uttar Pradesh and Bihar? Bihar, okay. Now, before I get on to, I'll just tell you, this UPSC, every year, I think about, on the core UPSC, that is IAS, IPS, about, say, 1,500 roughly students get selected. If you take the literacy level of our country, Kerala on the top, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh is one of the lowest. If you take the result of UPSC, last 2 years I have not followed it out. Before that, every year you would find at least 50% of the students who have cleared UPSC are from Bihar. Surprising, you say that that is one of the most less literacy place. The reason is they decide when they are in 8th standard, 9th standard, and by 10th they are very clear, मेरे को तो IPS बनना ही है, and then they start working. Okay, now you have, compared to others, you are one of those better lot because you also made a decision that yes, you have to crack UPSC. Till now, this situation, what you are here today, is like transforming from caterpillar to butterfly. I don't know whether you have heard of. You will understand it slowly. Till today, you all were in a highly protected, controlled environment. You were controlled by your parents, your relatives, teachers, and now suddenly you are on your own. So that caterpillar to butterfly, that freedom, you have to start managing this freedom. If you don't take care of this freedom, the freedom will start taking care of you, and that is not good for you as well as the institution. So, plan it, work on that. As I told you, now the next thing is the change. There is a big change I done today for you all. From a boy to a man, from a girl to a woman or a lady, this is a big change. In the school, you all are taught to study, get 100%, you have to come first rank. Only studies, 24 hours, 20 hours, study, focus is on study. Now the focus will change. You have to get into a professional institution. There you have to concentrate on what you want to further. In the school, you have teachers teaching you. Here, you have lecturers facilitating you. I am sure most of you would have never gone to a library, or most of the school doesn't have a library. Here, you have to spend lot of time in library. Most of you are going to stay in the hostel, so that is called community living. Till now again, when you are studying till 10th, alone, you competing. The aim is to score 3 marks more than your best friend or your next competitor. Now, you all join together and study. I was working in an engineering college. There I was part of campus recruitment. Whenever any company comes for the campus recruitment, the HR will come and say, sir, I want 2 smart boys. Sir, please give me 2 smart girls. Now these 2 smart boys and 2 smart girls are not produced in any factory in Kengeri. It has to be within you all. You have to become. Now, it doesn't get here and here. Even when principal was giving his open address, he was giving a lot of policies. The smart is a small word. It starts like candidate should be young and energetic. Now by default all of you are young. How much energetic you are, we have to see. Then healthy. Must possess a pleasing personality. Should have good communication skills. Should be a team player. Must possess very good domain knowledge. Then possess leadership qualities. It's all in one person, not different people coming and joining together. One of you should have all this. That's how you will get selected, or you will make a future career. So you have to work on that. Now, for me, also it's the first day. I will also be having the orientation with you all, maybe whatever possible. But as per the guidance from the chairman, my primary responsibility is to take care of the discipline in the campus. Now, what is discipline? Take a danda and come behind you? Is it? No. Good. Everybody said no. Fine. But whatever it is, there are certain rules and regulations made in any of the institution that you have to follow. If you don't follow, you will be either punished or penalized, whatever it is. But at this level, that does not work. You have to bring in discipline in your daily routine. You have to bring in discipline in your studies. Now, I'll just take you to Ramayana. If you have, most of you would have gone through Ramayana. There Ravana was making plan to kidnap Sita Mata, and he had planned very well. First stage, planned to send Rama from that place out. Then the second plan was he wanted to send Lakshman from there, but Lakshman didn't want to go because he had a responsibility from his brother to protect his Bobby, that is Sita Mata. But Sita insisted Lakshman to go. So before going, he put one line there and requested her not to cross that line. But when Ravan came there, he is more cunning than anybody else and quite brainy person. Somehow he made Sita to cross the line and he took her away. Had Sita not crossed the line, I think there would have not been a Ramayana at all. Now that line what was put was called as, generally what do you call? Lakshman Rekha. Now, I advise each one of you to draw one Lakshman Rekha, especially the girls, one Lakshman Rekha in front of you. You should never allow anyone to cross that Lakshman Rekha, and you should never cross that Lakshman Rekha. If that happens, I am sure your stay here should be smooth and my work would be very easy. So, as I was telling, now you come to the degree, completely focused. Today, no schools in our country teach knowledge. Every school, they teach how to crack exam. Here, you need to gain knowledge. So, before I end my talk, I will give you a small story. I have a lot of stories I will keep giving you. So, one quickly. Once upon a time, there was a kingdom in a place called Kashi. There, they didn't have a king. So there was a practice that amongst the citizens, they choose one king and he will rule for 2 years. After 2 years, that king will be thrown out of that. Next to that river Ganga is there. Next to that is big forest with wild animals. He will be thrown. So it's over. So 2 years, king. After that, he will die. So that practice was going on. So how it was, he was being selected is that there was an elephant there. The elephant will be given a hara, garland. Everybody will join together, like you all come there. The elephant will go put the garland in somebody, and that person will become king for next 2 years. So after some time, even the elephant became old, and people thought that it's a old practice, we need to change that. Then they made it one more constitution, and they put next to the temple, that the kingdom's temple, they put one bell. Whosoever after 2 years comes and rings the bell for the first time, he is taken and he will be the king. So after some time, slowly, people are not coming, because what is the fun of being king for 2 years, that you have to die for sure after 2 years. So they all were thinking what to do. We have to change the constitution. One fine day, one person came and rang the bell. So everybody rushed there. When they reached there was a beggar who came and rang the bell. So everybody surprised. Do you know what is this? Yes, I know. Yes, I have to become the king. Then you know, king, what is the responsibility of the king? Yes, I know. Everything he knew. And then the last question is that you know that after 2 years you will be thrown out. Yes, I know that also. So there was no choice. So they brought him, given him a good bath, put him the kirita and made him the king. And for their surprise, he turned out to be a good administrator. He brought in a lot of rules, new administration reforms there, built in schools, colleges, whatever he could. Quite a good improvements he made. Everybody in the council, that the ministries, they were worried because he's a good person. After 2 years, we have to throw him out. So 1 year over, 1.5 years over, the country was progressing every day, day by day, becoming famous. But you couldn't change the system. One fine day came that yes, tomorrow he will be taken to and thrown in the jungle. So the minister went and told that tomorrow 9 o'clock be ready. We will come, we will take. He was cool and he said, okay, no problem, fine. So next day everybody came, everybody was very much worried because poor fellow is so good, he has done this, that and all that. And to cross the river, they brought a boat, they have decorated the boat and taken him in the procession, and they were crossing the boat. This person was sitting cool. Everybody was worried. So out of curiosity, one minister asked, we all are worried, you are going to die. Why, how you are so cool? So he was still smiling, no problem, come. So they crossed the river, went that side. To these people's utter surprise, there was no jungle there. It had turned out to be a city much better than the city what. So everybody is surprised how it is, what it is. There used to be vehicles moving around, there used to be bus, there used to be schools, everything. Then they asked, how, what it is? Then this man told, the day you people made me king, I knew what is going to be my fate. So I did not sleep. During day, I devoted for the administration of the kingdom. Night, I have devoted to improve that place. First, I have sent hunters to that place to get the animals killed. Then I sent engineers, constructed. I have appointed people there. Even the ministry, everything is set there. And they were there ready to welcome him, to take him to the king there. So these people asked, what is our fate? He said, choice is yours, either you join us or you continue there with your practice. And they joined, it is called as Uttarakashi. Now, moral of the story is, you have PUC students, I think you have 5 years, others 4 years, whatever, maybe minimum of 3 years you have here. You can enjoy the campus, have good food in the hostel mess, sleep, go out after 3 years, or make use of this time constructively. By the time you go out, you should be a complete person, ready to face the challenges of the world. I will be speaking to you repeatedly, coming in front of you quite often. I'd like to thank the chairman and principal for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of you all, and wish each one of you best of luck. God bless you all. Thank you.
ಗಡಿಯಾರ ನೋಡಿ ಓದುವವನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ.